Hello and welcome to another edition of Straightforward with me, Clinton D'Souza, only on Goa 365. Today we'll be discussing the hit topic, the topic that has been discussed not only in Goa but across the world about Save Mole, Kolso Naka, Goyan Kolso Naka. And to discuss that more into depth, I have with me the Congress leader, Mr. Sankalp Amonkar. Hello sir and welcome to Goa 365.
Thank you.
My first question to you will be, sir, Goyan Kolso Naka. कित्याक नाका?
See, आयज पर्यंत आमी पळयत येयलेले आसा, there lot of agitations has taken place in entire Goa regarding Baba say no to coal. And we are fighting, especially the people of Murmagaon Taluka, and especially the people of Murmagaon and Vasco are fighting on this issue for last more than 25 years. आमकां उगडास जाता तुमकां उगडास मुद्दाम करपाक दिता कित्याक जेन्ना पयली कोल जेन्ना फर्स्ट स्टार्ट जालो मुर्मगांवान कोर्टान तेन्ना ते बथ नंबर 10चेर जालो तेन्ना सगळे आमचे लोकल्स जे आसलेले लोकल्स गोंयकार आसलेले पळय ते गोंयकार हँडल करताले आनी जेन्ना ताका ऑपोजिशन येयलें तेन्ना तो थंयसर स्टॉप केलो बथ नंबर 10 स्टॉप केलो एंड देन इट वॉज गिवन शेड टू जिंदाल एंड अडानी एंड नाव वेदांता. So basically the people, the FPT has pulled the people of Vasco by stopping the coal at berth number 10 because then the locals were handling. And jet dust pollution jata, coal pollution jata, we have seen. The photographs are viral on the social media. People of Murmagaon, especially the people of Vasco, Murmagaon, we are having coal intake every day. In our breakfast also we take coal intake. With our lunch also and dinner also we have coal intake what we take. So basically the people here are suffering. You must be aware also that lot of COVID cases are there in Goa, especially in Murmagaon, a lot of COVID cases. And the major effect of this COVID case to rise in Murmagaon is one is the coal reason. Because of the respiration problem what we are having, especially the children, asthma problem and all this major problem people are facing. So the basic issue is we don't want coal. And now the way the coal is going to increase, we are opposing it for.
So you are saying that COVID has increased in the Murmagaon Taluka and Vasco area because of coal?
Yeah, this is the official statement by the government saying that Murmagaon has been affected more because of the respiratory problem. And most of the people in Murmagaon you will find with the problem with asthma and all. So these are the main problem. Even the doctors, you can talk to the doctors of Vasco, are saying that the main reason for increase in COVID cases in Vasco and Murmagaon Taluka is because of the coal pollution which we intake during our breakfast, lunch and dinner. Every day we intake this coal pollution what we are going through. And you are aware about it. There are so small particles which we cannot see. They are very small particles and that every day we take it in. And because of that, the respiratory problem, the main COVID issue is the people who are having a problem, respiratory problem are most affected. This is one of the reasons.
Coming back to the coal, you said everyone is fighting with regards to coal for last 25 years. But coal was also there when Congress was into the power. But the agitation has become now in 2020. Why?
See, just now I briefed you. When the coal was started, it was started at berth number 10. And that time, it might be the Congress party who were in the ruling, but that time also, the coal handling was not above 1 million ton yearly, annually. Today the transaction is gone to more than 20 million ton yearly. And that time, when the people agitated, that time the Congress government stopped the coal at berth number 10. And when the coal was being stopped at berth number 3, people of Vasco thought that the coal will be stopped now. But the MPT had a hidden agenda behind it. So they have given later on at berth number 5 and berth number 6 to Jindal, and now they have brought Adani and now they have brought Vedanta. So basically the MPT had a hidden agenda. The people, the Goikar handle करताले coal. There were a lot of people who used to do the transport. Tenka saglan kabar kela, and the monopoly has given to these people, especially to Adani, Jindal and Vedanta. These are the people who are monopoly in Murmagaon port.
So तू म्हणूंक सोदताय गोंयकारांक काय रायटूच ना when it comes to Murmagaon port, or even the locals are not taken into any consideration, you feel?
Definitely. In this port now where the Jindal, Vedanta and Adani is running the thing, so it's up to employment to the employment. Then it is a zero there is not a single employment आमकां गोंयकारांक फायदो जाल्लो आसा भितर, or especially to the people of Vascocar or Murmugaon, आमकां ते जॉब्सूय ना, कांयच ना. All the staffs are from outside Goa. आमच्या वेदांतान भायरसून हाडलेले आसा, अडानीन सगळो स्टाफ भायरसून हाडलेलो आसा, जिंदालान स्टाफ भायरसून हाडलेलो. आमचे थंयसर गोंयकार म्हणटा ते कोण काम करना. थंयसर बाकीचे तेंचे वांगडा मेळोन जर कोण काम करता जाल्यार थंयसर लोकल आमदार आसा पळय मिलिंद नाईक, तेजे थंयसर सगळी फेसिलिटी चलता. जशें ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन तेजे चलता, लेबर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तेजे चलता, वॅगन्स वयता पळय ते वॅगन्साचेर शीट्स घालपाचे, धांपपाचे, ताटपत्री घालपाचे ते काम तो करता. So every work which is there, it is contract is given to the local MLA Milind Naik. So he is benefiting out of it. As far as the job is concerned, आमचे गोंयकारांक थंयसर कसलोच जॉब ना, एकट्याक कोणाक थंयसर बेनिफीट मेळना.
In case आता ते तर म्हणत आता maybe the big company, you said the monopoly and all of them, the big companies, if they say that we are offering jobs to Goans but give us let us transport coal, what will be your stand next?
So see, we still oppose it. आता तुम्ही जेन्ना लोक aggressively भायर येयलेले आसा, we are opposing it. All the people of Goa is opposing it. And आता जर तांकां जाग जाले ते तेंचो धंदो बंद पडटले, आता ते जॉब दिता, आमी ते जॉब घेवन कितें करतले? आमचे तुम्ही कोणाकूय विचारले गोंयकारांक जाल्यार ते म्हणटले आमकां थंयसर जॉब नाका. कित्याक नाका? कित्याक फ्युचर जनरेशन आमचे काबार जातले. आमी जर सेल्फिश जाले आता, इफ वी बिकम सेल्फिश बाय टेकिंग जॉब नाव, आमी जर आता काम मेळटा म्हणून थंयसर आमी सेल्फिशपणां केली जाल्यार वी विल अर्न समथींग ओवर देयर बाय टेकिंग द जॉब. बट आमची जे फ्युचर जनरेशन आसा, जी आमची भुरगीं आसा, ती आमकां केन्नाच माफ करपाना. सो वी हॅव टू प्रोटेक्ट अवर फ्युचर जनरेशन. आनी फ्युचर जनरेशनाक लागून हो जो कोल आसा सांगलो तो मुर्मुगांव पोर्टानसून भायर वयपाची गरज आसा. लायक विथ दीस कोल आनी आफ्टर डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाल्या उपरांत जो कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो जातलो पळय, द वे इट वील इन्क्रीज, डबल ऑफ द कोल इम्पोर्ट जातलो पळय, थंयसर आमचे जनरेशन आसा कितें फुडलें जनरेशन सोड, आतांचें जनरेशन पर्सन लायक अस, वी आर इन 40s नाव, सो आमचे असले जनरेशनूच काबार जातले. फ्युचराक आनी कांय उरपाचें ना.
So future काय उरपाचें ना, पूण with regards to at present, what is the scene when it comes to coal, especially in Murmugaon and Vasco? Like what is happening in people's mind, the local mind? I want to know what is ground level, because you have been working ground level right from the beginning. So I want to know, because you have been with the people right from day one of the agitation. Yesterday also, day before yesterday also, it was a big thing. Like there were rallies. Then yesterday you all even had a big protest over there. So what is the ground level happening over there? Because you have been there with the people.
See, basically the ground reality, if you ask me, see, if you take this 4 constituency, that is Murmugaon Taluka, if you take the Murmugaon, especially people who are affected here because of the coal pollution, people from Murmugaon constituency, Vasco constituency, Dabolim and Kottalim constituency. These are the 4 constituencies. But if you see the ground reality, none of the people want coal blending, because everybody has a problem. See, in our house, if you go to see, I am sitting in my office now. Right now in my office also, if I just put my hand on my table like this, I will get all the black this thing of the coal dust. So it is not only my office or my house, it is affecting the entire Murmugaon Taluka. People are literally crying because of this dust pollution, because there is no precaution taken by these people, and people on ground in Murmugaon Taluka don't want coal at all. Everybody is opposing for the coal because it is not benefiting any way, but we are suffering. For people, health is more important, and if health only does not, we don't get good air quality to breathe in, then why we want this project of coal ending? So we are totally, the people on the ground don't want coal at all. That is the thing. Then do a survey. I can assure you, I can challenge you. If you do a survey in Murmugaon Taluka, you will see that at least 99% will oppose for this coal. Nobody will be in favor of this coal ending. That much I can assure.
Okay, on that assurance, I would like to go little ahead of Murmugaon, and let's go to Mole now. You know what is going to happen at Mole. That's already land acquisition has started right early. Yesterday also there was issue with regards to land acquisition for doubling of the track. So what do you feel about this area, especially Mole? It's like completely forest. There are a lot of species over there, the wildlife. What do you feel about that scenario?
See, I really appreciate, I really salute the people of Mole, the NGOs, our activists who have come forward and have opposed this. And we have also, as a Congress party, we have also opposed this. And see, the main reason is it is a wildlife sanctuary. And if this project And this project, by destroying our forest, our wildlife, as you said, there are a lot of species, there are a lot of animals, there are a lot of trees which are there, and if they are going to demolish all these things for just for in the name of the development, I think this is very wrong. We don't want this. And especially I would like to tell the Power Minister, Mr. Nilesh Kabral, who has made a statement earlier saying that people who are opposing this should give an application saying that Baba, they don't want power. If they don't want power, we will cut their electricity. This is the statement of the Power Minister has made. This is very, I feel very sad for Nilesh Kabral making such a statement, cheap statement. So I can challenge Nilesh Kabral. I am ready to sacrifice my electricity. He can come and disconnect my electricity anytime. I am ready for that. But in the name of the power, you cannot destroy our Goa. You cannot destroy the Molem. See, the power what we require is sufficient for Goa. But here, this power what they are trying to get is basically to benefit the industries. Because here the consumption by the local people, by the residents who are residing in Goa, they don't use much power. The power is being used by the industries. The big company like this Jindal, Adani, all these people require power. And earlier also when we had a power plant in Goa, Reliance was running, why that has been stopped? If there is scarcity of the power, then there was already a company running, Reliance, who used to supply power to the government. Why it has been stopped? So now you are trying to fool the people because of your selfish interest. I think that this Molem thing, we are opposing it. And again, I really appreciate those people who are following up the issues and who are on the street opposing this Molem project.
Okay. There is a lot of opposition right from every step. Do you think that people are against the government, or what are they doing?
See, basically people are against the government because this government policy, what they have come up with is affecting everybody. So just for example, if you go to see this double tracking, then the Molem project, just recently, you know, the Madai issue, they have sold our Madai, which we used to call the lifeline of Goa. The Madai has been sold to Karnataka because here also there is a politics. Because in Goa we just have 2 Lok Sabha seats, only 2 MPs. But in Karnataka, they have a lot of MPs. So they are going to benefit more. The central government is going to provide this Madai river water to Karnataka because they want their support, not the Goan people. And CM is making a fool out of us by saying that he has gone to the Supreme Court and they are going to challenge it in the Supreme Court. I really strongly object what they are doing. And basically, the people, Goan people, are today on the road because of the wrong policy of the government. Everybody, if you go to see the government, the people are getting up and going against the government, saying, "Baba, this is the thing what government is wrong, and the policy what government has implemented is wrong."
So, do you think the government is not thinking about the people, or they are only thinking about development, which will distract? What do you feel on this?
See, basically the government is least bothered about the people. If you go to see example in the COVID time, when we were shouting, when the first case was detected in Vasco at Mango Hill, from that time we were shouting. I had taken the lead, and the people of Mormugao, the people of Vasco had taken a lead, saying that to lock down Vasco for at least 7 to 8 days. We were shouting, we were requesting. When the CM came to municipal council to meet, that time also we requested it, but they didn't take that decision. And from there, today we know what is the position in Goa of the COVID situation. If the government had taken the right decision at that time, the lockdown, this position had not been today. So the government is not working for in the interest of the people. They are just here. They think that they are here for next 1 year. Just let us make some money out of it. And this is the thing, because that time in Mormugao there was a lockdown. This Milind Naik who was doing business, because that time the transportation of coal was going on, iron ore was going on, and lot of around 25 ships were there, which was doing the iron ore, coal ships were there. And if the lockdown would have taken place, his business would have been affected. The MPT would have been at loss, Milind Naik would have been at loss. Just to protect them, the lockdown was not being announced. And because of that, today we are suffering. And I know this government, just 1 year is left, people are going to throw this government out, so they are totally just trying to mint money, whatever they are going to get from this private businessmen like Adani, Jindal and Vedanta.
I think the very first half was very interesting. We'll take a short break on that note because I feel that Mr. Sankalp has a lot to say when it comes to save Mole, then Goa against coal, and he's also highlighting other issues that what happened also in the lockdown and before lockdown and post lockdown now. Keep watching Goa 365. I'll see you on the other side. Hello and welcome back. I have Mr. Sankalp with me, the Congress leader from Murmugaon, Vasco. And before we could go on a short break, Sankalp has told something that I was personally shocked with regards to what happened post-lockdown and also before lockdown. So we'll continue. I want to know, in last 2-3 days, you guys have been doing several agitations coming out in large numbers with the help of locals, and all NGOs have united, political parties have united, and we have also seen that BJP MLAs and BJP Karyakartas also came out in your support or to support Goyant Kolswa Naka. This motto, this aim, they also came out. So what do you feel about this? Is it like a political stand, or actually even they are with the people and they do not want coal?
See, we were really happy and surprised yesterday. The way the protest, when we went there to oppose the hearing, personal hearing, all the political parties, all the NGOs, all the social activists, everybody were present there. And they all were in one voice, that we don't want coal, we don't want double tracking, and we forced the government yesterday, especially the deputy collector, to cancel all the personal hearing which was scheduled from yesterday. So from yesterday till 27 at late night 7:30, the government took a decision and deputy collector announced it saying that we are not going to have any personal hearing up to 27. This was the first success. It was not success of any political party or individual. It was the success of all the people who have come to united. And because we were united, we could achieve this. If there was a personal interest, yesterday who were present over there at the deputy collector, everybody came there personally, selflessly, without thinking any personal benefit. Everybody had come there for a cause. And the united we were there. Because of that, yesterday's cause, we were successful. And we could see that political parties from all the political party people were present, all the NGOs were present, all the social activists were present over there. And really I appreciate our Congress MLA Reginald was present over there. Then the NCP MLA Churchill was there. There was a BJP MLA, Elena Saldana, she also has been present over there. So here we can see that Baba, being a ruling MLA, like Elena, who was there present over there, opposing for it. So this shows, Baba, these people, even the MLAs, does not want this double tracking and the coal. They might have something other hidden agenda, but it was somewhere like she being in a ruling party, the CM, the government is not listening to her. And she has to come over there with the people to support, to oppose for that cause. Actually, being the MLA, it was her duty, Baba, to tell the CM, Baba, not to have this personal hearing ever. But somewhere it seems that Elena Saldana also has been sidelined by this government, because I think they are more interested to protect the interest of these private owners, especially the Adani, Jindal and the Vedanta. This is what I feel regarding this.
Okay, on that note, I want to ask you, तुका कितें दिसता गोंय कोणाचें, गोंयकारांचें वो भायल्यांचें?
सी आयज आमी जेन्ना म्हणटा आमचे सुबीत गोंय आनी आमचे फादर जावं आमचे ग्रेट ग्रँडफादर जावं तेंचे कडसून आमी सदांच आमचे गोंय कशें आसलेलें तें आमकां मेळिल्लें आसा आनी वी कॅन सी वी हॅव अ बीग हिस्ट्री एज फार एज गोवा इज कन्सर्न आनी आमी पळयलेलें आसा गोंय म्हणटा हें आयज पर्यंत गोंयकारांनी राखलेलें आसा. बट आयज खंय तरी दिसता कितें बाबा जे आयज प्रमाणे जे गव्हर्मेंटाची पॉलिसी आसा कितें चल्ला तेज्या हिशोबान खूब जाण आयज कितें जाला गोंयांत सगळे भायले लोक येवन बिझनस करपाक लागलेले आसा. सी वी कॅनॉट ओपोज एनीबडी बट वी शूड गिव देम प्रॉपर दिस थिंग, नॉट जस्ट कम अँड डिस्ट्रॉय गोवा. आयज जे गोंयकार जे गोंयान आमचे डिस्ट्रक्शन चल्लेले आसा हे सगळे भायले लोक येवन करपाक लागलेले आसा बिकॉज दे आर लिंक टू पॉलिटिकल लिडर्स. The government which is ruling in central, the BJP government, they are the colleagues of the ministers, the prime minister and the other home ministers, and these people comes to Goa. Even if you go to see the big contracts, the road, the national highways contract and all are given to this people's association who are with the minister. So especially I would like to tell you also incident in Murmagaon Taluka, we have a place called as Sankwal.
Yes.
Earlier, we have buildings of 4 floor, 5 floor, who should never go. Today, we are having a building of 8 floors, 10 floors, and that entire Sankwal area, who are building this project, all are outsiders. Some people are from Bangalore, some people are from Hyderabad, some people are from Delhi, some people are from Gujarat. All these outsiders, and total number of flats which have come over there is more than 25,000 flats are coming over there. 25,000 flats, we just calculate 25,000 flats into 4 members will be a 1 lakh population. Our entire Goa's population is 15 lakhs, and in a one small area will have a population of 1 lakh. Our constituency also, all constituency in Goa consist of 20,000 to 25,000 population, the voters. But in one place, in a small place like a Sankwal, will be 1 lakh population. So this is very sad. The way you asked me, आम्ही गोंयकारपण आमचे राखून दवरलेले आसा, बट हे भायले लोक येवन हेंकांनी हेच्या फाटल्यान जर कोण सपोर्ट करता जाल्यार आमचे पॉलिटिशियन सपोर्ट करता, पॉलिटिशियनाक तेजो बेनिफीट मेळटा, तांकां तेंची बॅगां मेळटा. सो हेच्या लागून ते आपल्याक सादोवपाक लागून तांकां परमिशनां दिता. PDAसून परमिशनां मेळटा, टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंगासून तांकां परमिशनां मेळटा, सगळी मेळटा आनी ते प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करतात. सो आमकां खंय तरी आसा, आनी आतां म्हाका दिसता की आमचे गोंयकार सगळे जागे जाल्लेले आसा. दे हॅव बिकम व्हेरी फ्युरियस, आनी म्हाका दिसता असले सगळे प्रोजेक्टाक म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार आमी फुडें ओपोज करतले आनी गोंयकारपण आमचे राखून दवरतले.
Okay. तेजा फुडें I want to go with regards to Mole now. Mole, okay. With regards to double tracking only, there are lots of people opposing it. I know it's because of coal. Also, there are lots of people opposing it because their houses are going to get damaged. Heritage sites are getting damaged. Fields are getting destroyed. Farmers are crying. Amcha shetanlan hoita. What do you have to say on this? Because do you think no one is against development, but still people are opposing it. What do you have to say on this? Is it that they are going with development by making people cry, or what it is?
See, basically, development has to be taken in the state. We are not against development, but at what cost? At the cost of the people of Goa, by destroying their houses, by destroying their fields, by destroying the forest.
कोणते म्हणटा आम्ही कॉम्पेन्सेशन दिता.
Compensation no, म्हाका सांग, but double tracking जे आयज चल्ला गोंयांत, I want to ask one simple question to this government. डबल ट्रॅकिंग केन्ना जाता? आमी आतां मुंबय पळयता, बाकीचे स्टेटी बेंगलोर पळयता, सगळी कडेन डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाला, मेट्रो जाला, सगळें जाला. बट थंय कित्याक लागून जाता? थंयसर पॅसेंजर वाडलेले आसा, टू गिव फॅसिलिटी टू द पॅसेंजर. सो आयज म्हाका सांग, आमच्या गोंयांत जे डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाता ते पॅसेंजराक लागून जाता. पॅसेंजर वाडला म्हणून डबल ट्रॅकिंग करता. कित्याक लागून? वास्कोसून तूं पळोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार दिसाक एक ट्रेन वयता दिल्ली, निजामुद्दीन ट्रेन, एक ट्रेन वयता बेंगलोर, 2 ट्रेन दिसता ते कॉलेम टू लोकल ट्रेन, वास्को कॉलेम टू बेंगलोर. आमकां डबल ट्रॅकिंग हो जाता कित्याक? आयज जाता कित्याक? फक्त कोणाक लागून? पॅसेंजराक लागून, गोंयकारांक लागून न्हू, टुरिझम वाडोवपाक लागून न्हू, डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून न्हू. फक्त हो डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाता टू कॅरी टेक ओवर द कोल फ्रॉम मुर्मुगांव टू कर्नाटका. तेज्या लागून डबल ट्रॅकिंग जाता, जस्ट टू बेनिफिट द प्रायव्हेट owners, especially the Jindal, Adani and Vedanta. These people are only going to get benefit out of this double tracking. And what the government created a national project. National project कोणाक लागून केलेलो आसा double tracking. Double tracking हो केला फक्त हो कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक. आयज दिसाक आमची वॅगन्स जी आसता कोल भरून दिसाक 3-4 वॅगनी वयता एमपीटी पोर्टांसून. कोणाचे डेव्हलपमेंट गोयच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाक लागून न्हू, हांगा पर्सनल डेव्हलपमेंटाचे प्रायव्हेट जे कोल हँडलर्स आसा तेंचे डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक लागून हो इश्यू चल्लेलो आसा. डबल ट्रॅकिंग जर खरेंच गोंयांत गरज आसलेली, बाबा खूब पॅसेंजर येता गोंयांत, टुरिझम वाडलेलें आसा, जाल्यार डबल ट्रॅकिंग करता जाल्यार ओके, वी वूड वेलकम दॅट. बट आयज आमची घरां मोडटा, शेत काबार करता, आमचे फॉरेस्ट काबार करता, ओके, लोकांचे पीस आसा, मायंड ऑफ पीस काबार करता तुमी. फक्त बेनिफीट कोणाक दिवपाक लागून, हे कोल्ड ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करपाक लागून बेनिफीट. हियर वी आर नॉट फॉर इट. डबल ट्रॅकिंग गोंयांत जावपाची गरज ना. कित्याक लागून कोलाक लागून तुमी जर डबल ट्रॅकिंग करतात जाल्यार फाल्यां गोवा वील बी द मेन पोर्ट टू इम्पोर्ट कोल. आयज जो कोल इम्पोर्ट जाता गोंयांत आमचो फक्त म्हणून बाकीच्या स्टेटींनी पळया खंयचरूच जायना. कर्नाटका येदी व्हडली कर्नाटका 52 टायम्स मोर देन गोवा. गोवा आमचे ल्हान माणकुले गोंय म्हणटा आमी, माणकुले गोंय. कर्नाटका बेंगलोर पोर्ट आसा, कारवार पोर्ट आसा, कितलेशे पोर्ट आसा कर्नाटकात. हांव कितें म्हणटा, तुमकां जर कोल लागता न्हू, तुमी तुमच्या पोर्टान व्हरा न्हू. तांकां ते लोक तेजर ओपोज करतात, कोल हाडपाक दिना. आनी आमच्या गोंयांत हाडटा तुमी कोल, आनी गोंयसून तुमी कोल काडटा आनी तुमी कर्नाटकाक धाडटा. दिस इज समथींग रॉंग, एंड वी पीपल ऑफ गोवा should oppose this for this double tracking.
If the government goes ahead of bringing coal, double tracking, do you think more companies will enter into Goa?
Definitely. See, the main, if you go to see, for example, I can give you about Tamil Nadu, Kerala. They have opposed the coal import. They have refused. The court has told them, you cannot. First, the safety of the people. We cannot have coal handling at our port. This was the thing. And now, if this double tracking takes place, then Goa will be the main hub for coal import. And if now presently there are 3 companies, Adani, Vedanta and Jindal, these 3 companies are working there. MPD has brought this 3. The MPD, to make more money, will get more companies to operate there. They will give the remaining work to them. And those people will also earn. When more companies, the import will increase. Now they have a target of around 30 million metric ton yearly, annually. So this will definitely go ahead. So we have to stop this somewhere here, because now if you go to see the MPD, earlier if you could go and see in MPD, there were so many Goans people who used to work over there in MPD. आयज थंय आमी पळोवपाक गेल्यार एमपीडीन कॉलनी बीन बांदले ते लोकांक रावपाक, आयज ती सगळी खाली जालेली आसा. आयज लोक ना, एमपीडीन आयज कोण कामाक ना. कित्याक एमपीडीन काडला आनी सगळे प्रायवेटायज केल्लेले आसा. सगळ्यांक काडला, प्रायवेटायज केलेले आसा, तांकां सगळें चलोवपाक दिला आनी तेंचो जो इन्कम आसा तेजेर आपूण जगता. अरे वाय कांट यू हँडल द थिंग्स? वाय यू आर प्रायवेटायझिंग द एंटायर पोर्ट? सो दिस इज समवेअर वी हॅव टू ऑब्जेक्ट अबाउट इट. एंड आय वन स्टेप अहेड I want to tell you that now already there is a Port Act which is supposed to take place. Lok Sabha already passed झालेला आसा Port Act, and now it has gone to Rajya Sabha. समज तो जर ऍक्ट जालो, and if it comes to all the major ports, including Murmagaon port, they will have their own monopoly. They will not require any permission from the PDA, from the municipality, from the local bodies or the government. Nothing. They will do what they want in the port. Tomorrow, if they want to demolish some houses over there which comes under their area, they can directly go and demolish those area. If they want to fill the sea water and extend the port, they will do it without permission. So if this act comes into, and I think the government has already made up its mind to get this act passed in the Rajya Sabha. So it has already passed in the Lok Sabha, and if it passed in the Rajya Sabha, this Port Act, I think the people of Goa and especially the people of Murmagaon and Vascotas will be in big trouble and big danger, because again the MPD will have the monopoly over it.
This is, I think in this half an hour, this was a statement that I was waiting for. This is I'm saying the core of this episode, I feel. But I think before we end, we are running short of time. I want to ask you one last question. What do you see, where do you see the future of Mole and coal in Goa?
Yeah, I am very confident. I am very confident the way the people of Goa, as आमी जे जागे जाल्लेले आसा, especially I will congratulate the NGOs, the social activists, the people from the villages who have woken up and their pramane they start करतात. See, after all, we are political parties. So आमी कोरा म्हणल्यार they say that we have personal interest because we are associated to a political party. But I am happy that these people have united. We will definitely support them, and I can give you assurance on your channel that entire time I will be with these people and we will see that this Moldam project and this coal and this double track does not take place in Goa, and we will stand, and I know these people will stand by it and will not allow this government to do these projects.
Okay, I think on that note, it was we heard a lot. What is the opposition for? What is going to happen next? And we also came to know about the act that is already passed and approved in the Lok Sabha. Now it's gone to the Rajya Sabha. Let's see and hope what happens next. I think on that note, we come to an end of this episode of Straightforward. Thank you, sir, for being a part of Goa 365, and keep watching Goa 365. Thank you.